Okay, good morning. In our today's class, we are going to evaluate integral of this kind, where the integral involves rational expression. So to do this, we are going to use integration by partial fraction method, okay? By partial fraction method. So let's take the integral 5x plus 1 over 2x plus 1 x minus 1. Here in the denominator, we'll see that it involves linear, non-repeating linear factor. Therefore, for this type of rational expression, it decomposes in this way, which is a over 2x plus 1 plus b over x minus 1. The next thing is, let's take the LCM. Take the LCM of the two. So x plus 1, x minus 1. So this thing divided by this is a times x minus 1 plus b times this thing divided by this is 2x plus 1. So we get like this, 5x plus 1 equal to a times x minus 1 plus b times 2x plus 1. So this is like this, this is like this. Now the next step is to get the value of a and b. To get, for example, the value of b, let x minus 1 equal to 0. And x will be 1. If x is 1, insert the value of x everywhere instead of this equation. So this is 5 times 1 plus 1, a times 1 minus 1 plus b times 2 times 1 plus 1. So 5 times 1 is 5, 5 plus 1 is 6. 1 minus 1 is 0, 0 times a is 0. 2 times 1 is 2, 2 plus 1 is, this is 3b. Dividing both sides by 3, we get b equal to 2. The value of b equal to 2. And next time, to get the value of a, take x to b. 2x plus 1 is equal to 0, x equals to minus 1 over 2. So this becomes 5 times, inserting everywhere instead of x, the value of x equal to minus half in this one. So this is 5 times minus 1 over 2 plus 1. A times minus 1 over 2 minus 1 plus b times 2 times minus half plus 1. So this is how much? This is minus 5 over 2 plus 1 equal to a times 2 times 1 is 2. Therefore this is minus 1 minus 2 over 2. 2 times minus 1 is minus 2. Minus 2 over 2 is minus 1. Minus 1, okay. This is plus b. Minus 1 plus 1. That is 0. This implies 2 times 1 is 2. This is simply minus 5 plus 2 over 2 over 2. And this is a times minus 3 over 2. Again, this is nothing but what? Minus 3 over 2. Minus 5 plus 2 over 2 is minus 3 over 2. This is a times minus 3 over 2. This implies this is minus 3 over 2. Cancelling minus 3 over 2. By minus 3 over 2, we get the value of a to be 1. The value of a to be 1. So the above rational expression, which is 5x plus 1 over 2x plus 1 times x minus 1 is equal to a over 2x plus 1. The value of a is 1. 1 over 2x plus 1. 1 over 2x plus 1 plus b. The value of b is 2. 2 over x minus 1. 2 over x minus 1. Hence, this is like this. This is like this. This is like this. This is like this. Now this is not the end of our question. So we have got, or we have decomposed this rational expression into this one. The next thing is to find the integral, or to go to the actual question. So the integral of the left hand side is equal to the integral of the right hand side. Integrating both sides, we get this 5x plus 1 over 2x plus 1 times x minus 1 dx is equal to the integral of 1 over 2x plus 1 plus the integral of 2 over x minus 1 dx. This is equal to the integral of dx over 2x plus 1 plus 2 times actually 2 dx over x minus 1. So we have got two work here. One is this, the second one is this one. So let's solve one by one. Let's start from 1. From 1, consider the integral dx over 2x plus 1. The common mistake that most students make here is the following. Simply they say this is equal to learn absolute value of 2x plus 1. The problem comes with 2. The coefficient of x is different from 1. As far as the coefficient is different from 1, we cannot say like that. Therefore, if you face such kind of a problem, let 2x plus 1 is u. Therefore, 2 dx is equal to du. This implies dx is du over 2. This is like this. This is like this. So this integral dx over 2x plus 1 equal to, what's dx? Dx is du over 2. This is du over 2. 1 over 2x plus 1 is u. Because 1 over 2 is constant, take it out of the integral sign, du over u. This is 1 over 2 ln absolute value of u. This is 1 over 2 ln absolute value of u. Absolute value of u is 2x plus 1. Like this. From 2, which is the integral of 2 dx over x minus 1. In this case again, this is equal to, take it out of the integral sign because 2 is constant. This is dx over x minus 1. Simply let x minus 1 is u. For this case, dx is equal to du. Dx is equal to du. Dx is equal to du. Therefore, the integral 2 dx, integral of 2 dx over x minus 1, 2 is constant, take it out of the integral. 2 dx over x minus 1, this is 2. Dx is how much? Dx from this is, dx is u. Dx is du. Du over x minus 1 is how much? X minus 1 is u. Over u. This is simply 2 ln absolute value of u. Absolute value of u. So this is equal to 2 ln absolute value of u is how much? X minus 1. X minus 1 in general. This, the integral of 5x plus 1 over 2x plus 1 x minus 1 dx is equal to the sum of 1 plus the sum of 2. The sum of 1 plus 2. So 1 is, the result of 1 is half of ln absolute value of 2x plus 1 plus number 2, these two, the result is 2 times ln of absolute value of x minus 1 plus c. This c comes from the antiderivative. The antiderivative, f of x equal to f derivative of f of x plus its whole derivative. That c comes from the case of antiderivative. So we get the integral of 5x plus 1 over 2xy plus 1. X minus 1 dx is equal to half of ln 2x plus 1 from this one. We can make it like this, for example, to get the result easily. This is again like this. This is again like this. So that the sum of the two, half of ln 2x plus 1. This is twice ln of x minus 1 over plus c, plus c. This is the end result. This is the end result of our question. I hope it's clear. If you have question, you can just comment beneath the video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, view my videos, leave the comments. Thank you for watching.